Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Dekor Plus Diaper Pail Refills 2 count most economical refill system. Quick, easy to replace, no preset bag size, use only what you need, exclusive end of line or marking baby powder scent. Not sure how this compares to a diaper genie, but it works well, and it's easy to replace. If you don't watch what you're doing, you could easily waste a good bit of the liners though. Holds a lot of little diapers, and have to replace more often now that he is bigger. You can choose when to close the bag, and throw it away, without wasting any of it. It is a tube of cheap, thin plastic for poop. When you get towards the end of the tube, you risk not having enough bag, and then diapers fall all over. This does what it is supposed to do, contain the dirty diapers in the pail. Since the system does not waste as much material when removing a smaller batch of diapers, there really isn't any good reason not to change the bag relatively often. It keeps the stench in well, but when bundling up a bag for disposal it does get a bit rank, which is inevitable since there is nothing holding in the smell any longer as you go to tie up the bag. He says that every time he tries to empty the bag real quick on his way out the door, he sees that the cartridge is empty, and it takes way longer to put in a new one. They don't hide all odor, but if you pull the bag once to twice a week, there shouldn't be an issue. Really easy to switch out the cartridge, and they do a great job of keeping the odor at bay. He likes that it can be torn off at the size you need, creating less waste. But the directions are not really clear on how to fit the new cartridge into the Dekor unit. Works great if you know what you're doing, and if everyone else knows what they're doing, otherwise you wind up having to do a huge amount of putting it back together after it's been wildly botched up. Bags are good material, and hold a lot of diapers depending on size of the trash can. In the past months, the quality on the bags changed, and they are not keeping the smell on it anymore. You have to open up the top of the Dekor to do this, but it's really not that difficult. It's cheaper, and if you purchase a trash bag with odor protection, then it's quite good at keeping odors at bay. But once you read the directions, easier for some than others. Apparently it's not that hard, and actually a pretty smart design. But the product is certainly handy, despite it not being able to cover the odor for very long. Then, you reach back into the front of the garbage can, grab the bottom of the clean bag, pull it down to expose more of the bag, tie the bottom of it in a knot, close the front, and you're ready to go. After about 7 or 8 packs, 30 each, size 2 or 3 diapers, dirty diapers, each roll is gone, so that's more like 400 or 500 total, with stuffed full bags. The only waste comes when you near the end of the bag, and there isn't enough left to tie off again. These do what they are supposed to, contain diapers, and attempt to contain the smell as much as possible. Love the fact you can create your own bag size by cutting whenever you are ready to throw away, instead of having to wait for the bag to be full. This one is easy, drop it, with its own weight it falls into the bag. However, this also means that the dirty diapers sit in there longer, and get really ripe. Gross. I've found that the seal on these pails do not hold in the smell as well as the diaper genies. On top of all of this, the system is really not great, and doesn't contain the smell of pee-only diapers well. The odor control is good, but not perfect, but the pail holds so many more diapers than the diaper genie. You'll be pleased with the product as long as you understand that none of the diaper trash cans capable of containing the smell if you put diapers with poop in them beyond the first few weeks of age. So, if you only put diapers with pee into the can, the Dekor system is containing the smells well. Again, none of the brands are capable of containing the smell of diapers with poop, but then none of the diaper systems seem to hold as many diapers as they claim. The diaper Dekor was designed to accept these, or a regular trash bag, and for the money you spend on these you can buy 20 times as many trash bags. They're easy to insert, remove, tie up, and tie down the bottom for the new one. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.